It's coming off. Is it recording?
Yes.
I hope so.
Go ahead, Jedi.
You can do this.
I don't.
You can
Jedi.
do this. You have to.
Don't hurt yourself.
The scholarship.
Don't hurt yourself.
Oh my
God!
Shut up.
Okay. Did AB Bobbin say he wants to shave half of your beard off?
Huh?
Did AB Bobbin say he wants to shave half of your beard off?
No.
Okay.
Look at the goatee. Oh my god, you really look like a Pakistani right now. No, go show that to them.
Why?
Your face doesn't look that white though. You said that it's gonna look white.
It looks pretty different to me.
It's like dark in that one particular area.
It's so freaking weird. Oh my god. I'm gonna stop.
Looks pretty bad.
Look at my brother.
Goatee. I got a big goatee. Huh?
Hey, let me do it, man.
We got just a little more. If you want.